Next patient, please. Oh, hi. What is your name? Patient number 0134567889. Messqueeninthailand. What's the problem? Oh, I see. Okay, let me check your pulse first. Alright, I want you to inhale and exhale deeply. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Oh, I can't hear it clearly. Oh, I just need something. And I'm gonna put it on your neck, okay? Yes. Okay. Here. Yes. This won't take too long. I want you to inhale, exhale again, okay? Wait a minute. Wait. We need to make it a little tighter so that I can check your pulse clearly. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Alright. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Alright. Nice seeing you. Yes. I'm happy to see you here. Okay. Thank you so much. See you around.